You should own a StoreTEQ for several different reasons, but it depends on each customer. It could be because you're damaging a lot of boards when you're material handling, right? That's a baseline reason as to why you should own a StoreTEQ. Another reason is for space saving purposes. It actually saves our customers on average about 30% of space. You don't have all these vertical racks with all these forklift aisles going in between it.
You can ask the question, who is the StoreTEQ's ideal customer? Now obviously big companies look at this, I get that. But small companies who want to be big need to look at it too. We wouldn't be doing the work we're doing now if we didn't have it. That's just flat out. We wouldn't be doing it. We wouldn't have been able to grow with it. The StoreTEQ has grown with us. It's given us tools, it's given us volume and capacity.
Before, we just had a lot of inventory that we stored manually, and we had to retrieve that inventory, and the only way we could, the board we always needed was in the back on the bottom of the stack, and it would take, it could take 2 hours, maybe 3 hours to get to the wood we needed. But what we've done is we've automated the storage of the material and automated the inventory of the material. So we're utilizing the store as an inventory system and a distribution system to our machinery. It's benefited us multiple ways. We don't have as much damage to the raw material that we had before. And the inventory and the waste has been cut down drastically as well.
For us now, we bring everything in the forklift, set it in place, StoreTEQ stores it all away for us, literally takes, when we program something out to the shop, picks that piece of paneling up, takes it to the actual saw so we can run it without even one person touching it from the time it goes from off the truck to the time it's actually picked up in parts to have the next process run through. So the StoreTEQ system obviously for us has been a huge increase in production. We couldn't do without it at this particular point.
If you've ever not taken an order because you didn't have the capacity, a storage system allows you to now all of a sudden free up a lot of that capacity within your facility to take on new jobs, new orders, and really maximize the potential of your machinery.